Okay, we're starting on the last wall today, 24 foot long. Gonna frame it up. Got to figure out where I'm gonna put the windows. I gotta go drag the air conditioner out and get some measurements off of that so I'll know where to put it on the wall. Let's get back to it. Well, there's nothing like laying off a wall wrong, and that's what I just did. Because I started laying my studs off from the inside instead of the outside. I didn't take into account that 3.5 inches that I have to run the siding, so I have to have it to break at 48 inches, and my studs would have been wrong, so my siding wouldn't have been breaking right. So let's start over and get back to it. So what I'm doing is framing out the 2 windows on the back right now. I'm doing pocket holes again because it's real tight at the top. As you can see, 9 inches. It'd be hard to get in there and drive a nail. But we're going to get 2 windows framed out first, and then I got to go pull the air conditioner out and measure it to frame in for the air conditioner that'll be in the center of the wall. And then we'll get the wall stood up. Probably not going to put sheeting on it to try to cut down weight. Probably put sheeting on it after it's up. Let's get back to it. Well, as you can tell, we had to knock off the other day. Rain's come. We've been in a drought for a long time. Now the rain's here. I'm not going to complain, but we're trying to dry things out so we can finish framing up this wall. I'm going to put some sheeting on it to give it rigidity to help stand it up. But hang in there with us and let's get back at it. Okay, we got the wall framed up. I'm going to put a few pieces of the siding on the wall just to add rigidity to help us when we stand it up. It'll be a little more sturdy. So let's get to it and get that siding put on. The sun's out here, so don't know how long I'm going to be out here. It's getting hot.
Why is this? You're back. I can't. Oh, I found where you marked. You marked it.
But he listened to the first 2 chapters today, and then she actually had questions at least in the first chapter, so she went over that with him, and then just kind of it's helping him along with that, giving some pointers, and